Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is JD and we are here in Maui. Medyo mainit ngayon sa Maui pero okay naman siya. Nakakainit ang ulo. Nandito kami sa beside Makena State Park. Since bawal na magpalipad ng drone doon, so we're here. Nakikita nyo, sobrang batuhan niya. Pero we are gonna try this drone. This is the Avata 360. Tingnan natin kung magandang drone to. Usually, when you have a drone, iniisip mo yung paglipad ng drone, anong klaseng framing, anong klaseng shots. Pero with this, DJI Avata 360, you fly the drone and you edit it after. Honestly, this might be the future of drones. It's more of creating, less thinking. This drone is kind of scary because it changes how you shoot. 8K 360, meaning kahit mali framing mo, okay lang. You can reframe, change angles, and even go vertical after shooting. Parang may multiple cameras ka in one flight. Ang payoff nito, once you try this, ang hirap na bumalik sa normal drone. Kasi nga, it's so easy to use. Bakit siya easy to use? It's because of this one. Medyo nahihirapan pa kasi ako dun sa mga goggles. Pag ginagamit ko siya, nahihilo ko, to be honest with you. So, ito na lang ginagamit ko and it's easy. So, we're here by Sakihe and nandito kami ngayon sa Ulunanis where may Hawaiian shavers. And check this out kung ano meron sila. Meron daw silang Pilipino halo-halo. Thank you. There you go. So this one has mango puree, ice cream, and sticky rice. Para siyang may ano? Para siyang may kakanin. Sarap na. Yung favorite namin talaga yung may mga shave ice na ganito eh. Sarap. And laging pinipilaan. So if you guys are in Maui, check this out. Sarap. People would ask me, is the DJI Avata 360 worth it? For me, masasagot ko yan. If you want easy flying, creative freedom, and different kind of footage, ito yun. This drone is fire talaga, but not for lazy creators. Kasi nga, may pre-framing ka pa afterwards. This drone has single lens mode and 360 mode. This is why 360 mode destroys the single lens, because this is what I love about this drone is you have the best of both worlds. Meron kang single lens, meron kang 360. Anong difference nila? Single lens is you use it as a normal drone. What you see is what you get. Yung 360 naman is you capture everything. Fix framing later and then create impossible shots. And honestly, single lens is now my backup mode.
Napansin ko lang din dito, yung mga tao may mga dala talagang food sa mga pinupuntahan nila kasi nga here, unlike sa Honolulu, everywhere ka pumunta may kainan, may mga food trucks. Dito, wala. As in, pag pinuntahan mo yung mga gagandang places, wala siyang mga food stalls, walang restaurant. So talagang yung mga tao YOLO dito, kumakain lang sa car.
And one of the things that they do here is actually try to save money. Instead na bili ka ng bili ng pagkain, and food here is not cheap. You can actually save money by buying some stuff in like Safeway and yung mga drinks para hindi ka nabibili na masyado mahal, and then you just bring it. Talagang beach vibe talaga, as in para tayong nasa probinsya. Yun yung feel niya.
At least yung hotel na tinutuluyan namin, walang parking fee every day na $75 every day.
Now, we're here in Kanapali. This is located at the west side of Maui. Dito may beachfront talaga. And then, kumpara mo doon sa Kie, mas maganda yung beach ng Kanapali. Sa totoo lang. You get what you pay for. Check lang namin tong Whalers. Ano to? Yung Whalers Village kasi meron ditong shopping area and meron mga dessert place, restaurants. Dito kami nag-breakfast. Brunch pala, brunch. Tapos ito yung beach ng Kanapali. Kahit hindi siya ultra white sand. No? Palagay mo nung kulay nito. Brown? Yeah, brown. Pero it's still, it's a very fine sand. Parang gusto ko mag-dip.
생각하고 있단 말야 오늘도 I need you more 사랑이 너만 있을 때
Will I replace my DJI Mini with this drone? Yes, absolutely. Kasi now I have the best of both worlds eh. Even mabigat siya, I'd still bring this kasi it gives me something different, a different perspective, a different story, and that's what matters for me anyway. So hi guys, we are here at the Haleakala summit. Napakaganda dito. So you can see the sea of clouds. This is the highest peak, if I'm not mistaken. This is the highest peak here in Maui. Para ka nasa Mars dito kasi nakikita nyo yung mga red rocks. Para nasa red planet, di ba? And ang pagkakalam ko, this is a volcano. Yan yung mga lava rocks na nagkumalat. Pag pumunta kayo dito, meron kayong $30 na babayaran for parking. Isang sasakyan na yon. So kahit na ilan kayo doon, $30 yan. And it is one of those places na you have to visit kasi sobrang ganda niya at saka kakaiba yung terrain. Medyo nakakalula lang mag-drive kasi you're going up pero kayang-kaya. And nakikita nyo dito yung telescope. Meron siyang telescope dito. It's not open for public. From 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. you have to have a reservation. Kasi sobrang dami pumunta dito for the sunrise. Ganda. Since we're on vacation, ayaw namin gumising na maaga. We just want to chill. Yun lang yun. Travel tip, when you come here, bring jacket. It's cold. This is the coldest part of Maui. Ganda. Ganda dito. Sobra. The difference between the DJI Avata 360 is, I think this is easier to fly and safer to fly. The cons of this one, it's bigger, it's heavier. Sa anti-gravity naman, it's smaller, lighter, and travel-friendly. Pero for me, harder siya to fly because you have to use the goggles. And for me, ako lang medyo nahihilo ako pag ginagamit ko siya. Both of them has different vibes. How would I describe them both? DJI is a creative weapon, and for me, the A1 is a lifestyle drone. Preference lang naman yan eh. Good morning. On the way kami ngayon sa Hana. Of course, kasama ko ang mother dearest ko since it's her birthday. Ready lang. This is our first stop. This is the Twin Falls. Ito palang sobrang panalo na kaagad. Imagine this, rainforest, waterfalls, fresh air, tapos may konting ulan. Pero okay naman, parang movie set lang. Ang sarap dito mag-slow down kasi It's very calm, zen, and just the water, sound of the water sobrang okay na kagad. Kaya ang ganda ng ang ganda ng place na to. It's truly a must stop and visit here in Rotohana. Okay, so DJI Avata 360 removes your biggest problem as a creator. You don't shoot with this drone, you explore. This is what happens when you stop thinking about framing. And this might kill the traditional drone shooting because it's so easy to use. And for my conclusion, I wish this drone is less than 250 grams so you can fly it without any permits. There's a lot of places din naman na hindi ka makapagpalipad ng drone. I love this drone. I'm going to be using this sa mga future travels natin, and I wish this is a bit lighter, pero not a deal breaker for me. I'll still use this one. So we're heading back to San Francisco, our final day in Maui. We are here at the airport now and we're leaving, and it was fun, it was very low-key. Wala kami masyadong ginawa dito sa trip na to, pero I guess we rested, we slept a lot. And I'm going back to San Francisco, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video.